Hello and welcome. My name is Heather. This is a 10-minute yoga flow that you can do in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, any time of day. It's a really good movement to get your body just flowing, get it moving. So we're going to start in child's pose. So come onto your yoga mat, bring your knees to the outside of your mat, feet come together, hips press back onto your heels. You have the option here to take a block and set it underneath your bum if you would like. Place your forearms onto your mat. Bring your forehead down to your mat, or maybe your forehead down onto a block. Take a moment here to bring awareness to your breath. Just observing it, not trying to change it. Bring your awareness to your body. Notice where you might feel any tension. We're just observing. Finishing up any thoughts that you brought with you to your mat. You have nothing to do for the next 10 minutes other than yoga. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Expand your belly. Fill your chest. Pause and exhale, sigh it out. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Fill your belly like a balloon. Expand your ribs. Expand your chest. Pause and exhale, sigh it out. Take a deep sip in through your nose. Fill your belly. Fill your ribs. Fill your chest. Pause and sigh it out. Inhale, ground down into your palms. Lift your hips. Stack your hips over your knees. Shoulders stack over your wrists. For tabletop, option here to place the tops of your feet onto your mat, or maybe tuck your toes for a nice stretch in the bottom of your feet. Take a few movements here that feel good for you. Maybe some hip circles, some barrel rolls. Maybe come forward and back. You might even point your fingertips towards your knees to stretch your wrists and your forearm. Inhale, come back to tabletop. Exhale. Inhale, gaze forward, open your shoulders, arch into your back. For cow, hold. And exhale, bring your chin to your chest, hips press forward, arch into your back for cat. Inhale, shoulders open, gaze comes forward for cow. Exhale, chin to chest, hips press forward, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, come back to neutral. And exhale. Inhale, reach your right leg behind you. Toes point down towards the ground. Exhale, send your right foot over to the left side of your mat. Gaze over your left shoulder towards your right foot. Inhale. Exhale, sweep your right foot out around the right side of your mat, outside of your right palm, and press forward for a lizard lunge. Inhale, sweep your leg back behind you, over to the left side of your mat. Exhale, sweep to the outside of your right palm and press forward. Inhale, sweep over to the left. Exhale, sweep over to the right. Inhale, come back to neutral. Exhale. Inhale, extend your left leg long behind you. Exhale, send your left leg over to the right side of your right foot. Gaze over your right shoulder. Inhale. Exhale, sweep your left foot to the outside of your left mat, to the outside of your left palm. Hips press forward, lizard lunge. Inhale, sweep your left leg to the right side of your mat. Exhale, sweep your left foot to the outside of your left palm. Inhale, sweep over to the right. Exhale, sweep over to the left. Inhale, come back to neutral. Ground down into the palms of your hands. Inhale, reach your right arm high to the sky. Exhale, thread your right hand through underneath your left shoulder, reaching over to the left side of your mat. Hand hovers over the ground. Inhale to reach your right arm high. Exhale, thread the needle. Inhale, reach your right arm high. Exhale, thread the needle. Release your right shoulder down onto your mat. Maybe release your right cheek down onto your mat. Left palm reaches forward. Maybe your left palm rests on your right palm, or maybe comes to your low back. Inhale, ground your left palm back into your mat. Press back up. Exhale, reach your right arm high and release your right arm back down onto your mat. Inhale, reach your left arm high. Exhale, thread the needle underneath your right shoulder, reaching over to the right side. Inhale, reach your left arm high. Exhale, reach through over to the right. Inhale, left arm reaches high. Exhale, reach over to the right. Rest your left shoulder down onto your mat. Maybe your left cheek comes onto your mat. Right palm maybe reaches forward. Maybe it relaxes on your left palm. Or bring your right palm to your low back. Inhale, ground your right palm back down into your mat. Exhale, lift your left arm high. Release your left arm back down onto your mat. Tuck your toes and step your palm prints forward one palm print. Lift your knees, send your hips up and back, downward facing dog. Take a moment here to pedal your dog. Send your right heel down towards your mat. Maybe your heel reaches the mat, maybe it doesn't. And then send your left heel down towards your mat, coming up onto your right tippy toes. Maybe your heel reaches the mat, maybe it doesn't. Repeat with your right side. And repeat with the left. Inhale, come up onto your tippy toes. Exhale, send your heels over to the right for an IT band stretch. Inhale, come up onto your tippy toes. Exhale, send your heels over to the left. Inhale, come back up onto your tippy toes. Exhale, lower your knees down onto your mat. Send your knees to the outside of your mat. Bring the bottoms of your feet together. Press your hips back. Release your forehead down to your mat, returning to child's pose. Thank you for joining me in this 10-minute yoga flow practice. My name is Heather. Please subscribe to my channel for more yoga, fitness, nutrition, and mindset topics.